Hello there everybody and welcome. So on this video I'm going to talk about my experience working with the Xamarin.Forms, which is a cross-platform mobile development framework. So you might be asking, what is Xamarin.Forms? Well, according to the documentation, Xamarin.Forms is an open source UI framework. It allows developers to build Android, iOS and Windows applications from a single shared codebase and a shared UI. So what are the pros of using Xamarin.Forms? So you have shared UI between platforms, so you write the code once and it works everywhere. Fast cross-platform development and simple UI components like buttons, labels, and so on. And it has close to native performance. What are the cons of using Xamarin.Forms? It is a bit late to get a new platform update, and there isn't enough documentation outside of the Microsoft one. If you want to work, for example, with Firebase, you would take a long time to find documentation. And it's not suitable for apps with heavy graphics. I tried to make a game, but just didn't work. And animations overall are very on the rubbish side. And it has large app size, but that doesn't concern me at all. So you might be asking, would I continue to use Xamarin.Forms? Well, yes, until I find something easier and more interesting. For now, I'm trying to learn React Native and Flutter, but I'm not really interested in Flutter because just the installation process is very, very frustrating, especially when installing with Android Studio. Just frustrating. Okay, so the last question, I guess, it's how much time did it take to learn Xamarin.Forms? Well, in real world time, like I was studying in these 3 weeks. Yeah, it took 3 weeks. But in total time, it was about 15 hours, like 5 hours per week, which isn't really that much, like considering everything. Yeah, considering that I learned basically everything. So, by the way, there is a resource now that is free. Go check Plural site if I'm not wrong. They have free April. So this discount will be, I'm not sure if it's a discount. It's like a trial, more like a trial. So you have until the 1st of May to use Plural site and download all you want of tutorials and learn whatever you want. Because we are in lockdown and quarantine, I hope you go and see that website and learn Xamarin.Forms if you are interested in it. And finally, thanks guys for watching this quick tutorial, maybe not a tutorial, this quick video, and see you on the next time. And not forget to subscribe, because we are going to do a lot more videos. Maybe more interesting than this one, I guess.